Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily remove Google account from Android phone. So in your Android phone, head over and launch the Google app. Then next, at the top right corner of your screen, click on your profile icon. Then next is click on the switch account drop-down button. Then scroll down. Then click on Manage Accounts on this device. Now from here, scroll down and look for the Google account that you would like to remove and click on it. Then from here, you can easily see the Remove Account button. All you have to do is click on it. Once again, confirm the removal of the account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!